English in the Media, a glimpse into Nigerian society. Hello, dear learners. Today, we will delve into a fascinating aspect of English language in Nigerian society, its role in the media. Nigeria, with its rich cultural diversity and historical background, offers a unique landscape for the English language. Let's discover how English is woven into the tapestry of Nigerian media. Nigeria was once a British colony. Therefore, the roots of English in Nigeria can be traced back to colonial times. Post-independence in 1960, English has retained its prominence, especially in formal settings and, of course, the media. Nigeria boasts a plethora of newspapers and magazines, with many of them in English. Newspapers like The Punch, Vanguard, and The Guardian not only deliver news but also shape public opinion. These publications use English as a medium to reach a vast audience, bridging the gap between the numerous ethnic groups in the country. The English language has a strong presence in Nigerian broadcasting. Channels such as Channels TV, NTA, and 8 provide national news, entertainment, and educational programs primarily in English. This ensures that the content is accessible to Nigerians from various ethnic backgrounds, fostering unity and mutual understanding. Nollywood, Nigeria's film industry, is one of the world's largest. While many movies are produced in local languages like Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa, a significant number are in English or include English subtitles. This not only caters to the diverse Nigerian audience but also allows for global reach and appeal. Nigerian music artists, like Burna Boy, Wizkid, and Tiwa Savage, often blend English with local languages in their lyrics. This fusion not only enriches the music but also broadens its appeal. The global success of these artists attests to the power of incorporating English into their craft. English, in the vibrant world of Nigerian media, serves as a bridge between cultures and a tool for global communication. Whether you're picking up a newspaper, watching a Nollywood film, or grooving to Nigerian music, the influence of English is undeniable. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the role of English in Nigerian media. Until next time, happy learning!